Everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about the Xiaomi Vacuum E5. Is it actually worth it? What are some important things regards the specs that you need to know? So the Xiaomi Vacuum E5 could be really good if you have, let's say, a small flat that doesn't need much cleaning. And here's why. So when you're just gonna look here on the max vacuum power, you have only 2000 PA. That's not much. So the suction is not that really amazing. Also, the battery time, you have only 5 hours, charging time 5 hours, battery time is 110 minutes, which is not again long, even comparing to work E5 where you're gonna have 5200 battery capacity. And then also another thing is the water tank. So you're gonna have water tank 90 milliliters, which is not again much. So again, the water tank is not huge. So these are the really three important things. The battery capacity is not high, the max vacuum power is not high, and the water tank is also not really that high. So this is the really important things if you're thinking about like getting it and buying it. Yes, it's lightweight. Yes, it's like you're gonna have a large 400 dustbin. But that's like what you actually need to know. So the suction power cannot be like possibly that really amazing. But yes, you are going to have the side brush, the nozzle, the triple filtration, which is good. So for really small flat, try it out, maybe test it out. But for, let's say, larger homes, I wouldn't really recommend it based on the specs. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.